Hi everyone, this is the floating floor with overlap transition over the tiles without any leveling was installed. Now I will remove it and show you how to make perfect installation flush with tiles. Let's go! So in this room will be another type of leveling because middle too higher than this tile. So first of all I have to match laminate floor with this tile. So what I did, I cut exactly height of the laminate floor and put it right here. You see, I have a gap. Now I will with this piece go around this tile and that tile, and then I will grind this middle, and when Plani patch will dry here, I level this side. So this is my goal. Acrylic, it's better for better bonding. For removing all imperfection when Plani patch not dry completely, I'm using trowel, flat trowel, and very easy to make it nice and don't use later grind. Here is the final view after all preparations. This room I grind on the middle. You see how much there is a visible stone, what I grind around 3/8, maybe quarter on the middle, sometimes more, and this part I level it with tripods around this hump, and front I scribe it. Now I'm gluing down laminate floor and make it flush with tile. It's opposite way what was before. Here was overlap. If you see the first picture on this video, floating all the floor with overlap transition without any leveling. If you like my videos, thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.